Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and exciting news, we are putting out all of our nursery stock. So our shrubs, trees, and evergreens are coming into this area here. You can see them all behind me. Starting to fill up quickly, so come on in. These are ready to shop now. And if you don't find what you're looking for, chances are we're still bringing it up, so check back soon. When you're here, you can also hear the birds chirping. It is amazing. True feelings of spring here at Sipkens Nurseries. You'll also find our hardworking team is setting out all of our basket trees here on the floor and getting them ready for spring. So along with our trees, shrubs, and evergreens, you'll notice that our homegrown perennials are starting to grace the benches. We also have tables full of gorgeous, cold hardy spring bulbs.